in this particular place.
Jingpynkhreh nakabenta ban Pynlong ya ka Lympung play perda ya ka Meghalaya Games kapasan on Pynlong ha Tura ha ka khatsan tarik ukalalangkot ha ka jingadon lang jong ka President kari India ka Draupadi Murmu. U Chairman jong ka Games Technical Conduct Committee ubalong ru Working President jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F. Karshiying haba kren bat ka Didi News ulaong babuon kibor penyat kilatray klem shong that man la usnem ban Pynlong ya ka ni ka Lympung ka ba job. Habak kadaw ba hakate ka Lympung on don hado arpo artli ki Ialehkai ula benrap bapalat lai hajar ngut kinong Ialehkai kilalong kibla Pynlong ban Pyn ki sap ki pong jongki hakate ka Lympung.
As of today, as you all know, we are having 23 sports and spread across the city of Tura. And as you can see, we are now here at the APS Sangma Stadium. This is where the opening ceremony will be held, and possibly the finals and the semi-finals, which is yet to be discussed. We also have, almost all districts participating. So this is the games format where participation comes in the games from the districts.
Menteri Sarkar berundang